Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how long does JoyaGoo take to ship. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to joyagoo.com and sign into your account. Now once we've signed into our account, we've got a few different ways how we can do this. JoyaGoo does a great job of estimating how long products take to ship from their website. So we can go ahead and scroll down and click and find the estimation, shipping estimation, or on the top of the website they've got the estimation tab. Click on either one of them. Now it's going to take you to the shipping calculator, but please take note that shipping fees is also related to the size of the parcel. So from here, what we need to do, we need to put in the destination. So say if I want something posted to Australia, I'm going to type in Australia. Now I'm going to put down the product weight. So say if it's 100 grams, I'm going to do 100 grams. And now length, say if it's 10 centimeters by 15 by 5 centimeters in height. And now if there's any mail restrictions, go ahead and put them in too. So say if I've got restrictions in pure battery, I'm going to do power bank. And now from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on calculate. Now it's going to calculate how many days or how long it's going to take. Now to check that out, we want to scroll down. We can see all the different carriers and how long they're going to take.